So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to upload your projects to GitHub. Okay, so whether you are working on personal projects or collaborating with the team, but you know how to push your code to GitHub is essential for developers, right? So let's jump right in. Okay. So now I have opened the GitHub website. So this is so first you have to log in, and that's if you don't have a GitHub account yet, so go to github.com and create a free account. It's quick and easy. Once you are signed up, you will land on the GitHub dashboard. Okay, so I already signed up, so I will let's go into that. Okay, so now I am in the GitHub, in my GitHub account. So now I will tell you how to create a repo. So for creating a repo, you have to let's create okay, if you have not created a repo, so let's create a first repository, and then you have to a repo is so whoever who don't know what is a repo is where all your projects files will be stored. Okay, so this is called repo. Okay, so now you have to click the after you have entered all the data, you have to write a repo name, and you have to choose whether it is public or private. Okay, and you have to also add a readme file. Okay, if you want, so you can in this readme file you have to add your project description. So you can add that description for your project, so others will understand what this project is about. Okay, and then you have to click on green this green button, which is create repository. Okay, so after that you have to after this you now have to, there are two ways to upload your project to GitHub. First is through the website which I have shown you, and other is using Git. So let's cover the part of the Git. So first so for Git I will tell you the steps. Okay, here are the steps. So first GitHub, these are all the steps which we have done that till this create a new repo or repository name and description, and second is, and after that you have to this also I have done, and then we have, and then now so this is for Git. Okay, so first you have to click add file, and then upload files. Now you can drag and drop your project files here or select them manually. Okay, and after that, once you have uploaded your files, don't forget to add a commit message which explains what changes you are making. Okay, and finally click on the commit changes, and after that your project is live on GitHub. Okay, and now I will tell you, now let's move to more advanced method using Git. If you have already Git installed on a computer, open your terminal or command prompt. If not, you can install Git by visiting gitscm.com. Okay, and now you have to, I will tell you the steps. Okay, so first navigate to your project folder in the terminal project. Okay, and after that, once you are inside the folder, you need to initialize Git by typing git init. Okay, and after that next you will add all your project files by typing git add. This command stages all the changes you want to push to the GitHub. Okay, and now it's time to commit your changes with a message, like you git commit with the first you have to write git commit -m, and then whatever the message you have to write, put in the you have to name that name. Okay, then now let's connect your local project to the local project where you have to connect the local project to the GitHub repository where you have created your GitHub repo. And now you have to copy the repo URL from the GitHub and type git remote add origin your repository URL. Okay, your repository URL being typed in the runtime. So after that you have to these are all the commands which you have to write, and then we have to finally we have to push our code to the GitHub using git push -u origin master. And that's it guys, your project is now uploaded to GitHub through the terminal. Okay guys, congratulations, you have successfully uploaded your project to GitHub, whether you use the website or the terminal. I hope this video helped you understand the process. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tech tutorials. If you have any question, drop them in the comment below. See you in the next video.